Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. However, if you're probably watching this, it's Friday, which means I uploaded 2 videos which means that next Wednesday I probably won't be uploading because I will be out of town, so I wanted to make sure I got this video up for you guys so you guys would have an extra video to kind of get through for the rest of the week. Anyways, in today's video, I actually partnered with my local Lancome Macy's counter. It's actually the same Lancome counter that I used to work for, and they gave me a bunch of stuff to try out and talk about on my channel. And I was so excited because I already love Lancome products. I use them all the time. Like, they truly do have some of the best skincare and makeup products. Of course, I agreed to do it. So this full face is using Lancome products. I'm going to show you guys how to get a effortless French chic kind of makeup look. Kind of like the perfect vacation makeup look where it's lightweight, it's natural, but you still are done up and you still tried. I'm gonna be doing faux freckles, the whole nine. And then stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on some full-size Lancome goodies. So if you guys are interested in getting some free stuff, stay tuned to the end of the video so you can find out how to enter to win the giveaway. I love you guys so much. Before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday when I upload. Follow me on Instagram. And finally, without any more rambling, let's jump into So excited to be doing a full face of Lancome products. Just so you guys know too, they are reserving for their free gift with purchase. And today I'm going to be kind of partnering with my old Lancome store that I used to work with, Lancome at Macy's Westshore. If you live in the Tampa area, definitely stop in and reserve your gift. They're amazing there, but even if you do live out of state, if you call them directly, they'll ship your gift for free as long as you live within the US. So you can call them at 813-286-5343. You'll get this beautiful bag in your gift with purchase, and this bag is full of so many deluxe sample sizes. You guys, look how cute this gift it is. You get their Genifique serum, their Renergy Day and Night Cream, the Cream Comfort Cleanser that I'm always raving about. You get to try their Rose Jelly Mask, their new SPF 50, these beautiful shadows, and their mascara and lash primer, which are bomb. But now I want to go ahead and kind of like prime slash use a serum to kind of prep my skin. So today I'm going to be using the Lancome Genifique serum, and this is actually one of the items I will be giving away. When I used to work for the brand, I put this on everybody and it really did make such a difference. So today I'm going to use a little sample size. You can use this serum day and night and it really does just like smooth out your skin, and I really like it. I just like how smooth it leaves the skin. And then for my sunscreen, I'm really excited to try this new Lancome sunscreen. It's their Aqua Gel sunscreen. This is the little travel size that comes with the gift with purchase when you reserve with them. So I'm so excited to try this out because I've been so into SPF, as you guys have seen. Like, I'm always talking about how I want to prevent wrinkles. So I'm excited to see how this holds up on my skin. It smells really nice. I also always love their gift with purchase because I literally always hold on to their travel sizes for when I'm traveling. I'm going out of town on Tuesday, so these are going to be perfect to take with me. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Teint Idole Ultra Longwear Foundation. I love this stuff, and this is my go-to foundation when I want my foundations to stay in place all day. But what I love about this one is that it's a thin consistency, so it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush to just kind of buff it away. And this foundation is a lot darker than my face. But like I've said a million times, I've been self-tanning lately. So I need something with a little bit of color to it. If not, my face does not match my arms and I look crazy. I feel like the makeup that I'm going to do right now would be like the perfect vacation makeup where it's simple, but you look put together. It looks like you tried, but it doesn't look like you tried too hard, you know? Like you put in some effort, but it's not too much. Alright, so next I'm going to be priming my eyelids and highlighting my under eyes with my Lancome Longwear Concealer in Light Buff. So I'm just going to lightly dab this just where I need to under my eye. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty sponge. And what I like about this concealer is that it doesn't crease. It's very long wearing. But again, you can use a little bit of it and get it super natural like I'm doing right now. And then it's not going to like separate or crease or look super like greasy under the eye. And then next, to set my whole face to give it like that soft glow but to lock it in place all day, I'm gonna be taking my Lancome Absolute Powder in a Crew Light. This is amazing if you just want your skin to look like skin. You want to give a subtle glow to it, but you don't want it to be too intense. I'm just gonna lightly graze this upward. This is my favorite powder, especially for drier skin clients, because it's not gonna set the face and leave the face looking super like powdery. It actually like just smooths everything out and just makes it look like skin. So to bake my under eyes, I'm going to be using my Lancome translucent powder in 100, and I'm just really going to set my under eyes to lock everything in place. I'm going to try not to bake too much because again, I want to keep this look looking very effortless but long wearing. And honestly, the only reason why I like baking normally under my eyes is to give an extra layer of coverage, just because my dark circles are so bad, and to make sure that my concealer doesn't separate, because for some reason my skin lately has been so oily that it's like if I don't bake, nothing like stays put. Like my face just eats up the product. And I realize I don't have any bronzer from Lancome, so I'm just gonna warm up my face using my Hoola Caramel Bronzer, and I'm only gonna be applying a very soft amount of this because again, I don't want to look too done out, just a little. I honestly don't even use bronzer anymore for contouring. It's more just to bring some warmth and definition back to my face. For blushes, I'm gonna be using one of my favorite blushes from them of all time. This one is called Cedar Rose. The camera's not picking it up, but it's very much like a peachy kind of like bronzy color, but it reminds me a lot of like MAC Warm Soul, just a little bit more matte. So I'm gonna apply that to my cheeks, and I'm also gonna bring it across the bridge of my nose. So what I love about this brush is that you can be as heavy as you want and it's still just gonna look like such a natural flush. So I'm just gonna clean up a little bit underneath of the blush and bronzer, sculpt it without having to use too much product. This powder though is no joke. It's super like full coverage. For the eyes, I'm actually gonna be taking, and I love doing this trick a lot when I want my makeup to look effortless but really pretty. I'll take the same shade that I use on my cheeks and use it in the crease of my eye. So I'm gonna take that same Cedar Rose blush and use that as my crease color. Now I know that sounds so weird, like girl, you're putting blush on your eyes, but that soft pink flush really mimics the tones that are kind of in your face naturally, that it makes it look so much more effortless and natural. I don't know, it's just so pretty. I'm gonna lightly sweep that as my all over crease shade. Next, for shadow, I'm gonna be playing with these colors that you get in the gift with purchase. They're so pretty. I'm gonna take this middle color. It's like a gorgeous kind of rose gold tone, and with my finger, I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid. I used to love getting these little travel sizes to stick in my makeup bag. And then if there was ever a time where I had to like go somewhere and I had to touch up my makeup, it was just so convenient to have all these little cute travel size makeup items in my purse. So next I'm just gonna take the darker gold shimmer and put that on the outer half of my eyelid. I'm gonna take the shimmery light color and put that in my inner corner, and then just sweep it kind of up and kind of do like a halo in that front section and then blend it with my finger. So I'm now just going to take a flat shader brush with the darkest brown. I'm going to use that to create a soft little liner on my top lash just to give definition. I love using eyeshadows as liner versus pencils because then I'm going to do a soft little flick on the end. I'm going to take a little bit of that gold color and use that to highlight the front third of my lower lash line. I'm going to use this dual finish highlighter. Now, I don't even know if the camera is picking up how pretty this is. It is like the most gorgeous rose gold highlight ever. It's probably going to be a little bit too dark for my skin, even right now with this self-tanner. So I'm just gonna do like a light sweep of it as a blush topper and just kind of sweep it along the top part of my cheek. But it is so pretty. Alright, so for the lips, I'm really excited because I'm really trying these for the first time. This is the Lancome Absolute Lip Lacquers. And these, I guess, are kind of like glosses and lipstick. So apparently with one swipe, it's a gloss. With two swipes, it's kind of like a lip kind of stain slash gloss, and then with 3 swipes it's a lipstick. And I got two colors. So this one is like a nice pinky. Yes, this is my kind of color. It's a nice pinky color. I also got like a really pretty vibrant purple, but I definitely think I want to use the pinky one. To line them, I'm going to use my NYX lip pencil in Downtown Beauty. The light sketch. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. So this is the color with one swipe. I'm absolutely in love. Do a second sweep. That is so pretty. Now I'm gonna do a third sweep. So this is the most unique feeling liquid lipstick I've ever used in my life. It definitely feels like a stain slash lipstick. I'm so excited that I got this because I had to sample this and I loved it. So I'm using the Monjour Big Lancome mascara. This is one of the best mascaras ever. It gives such good curl and length. It doesn't flake. Like, their mascaras are truly the best mascaras that I've ever used. So I'm going to use this, but I'm going to use my Lancome Lash Primer first, which this you will get the little sample size in the gift, and then they do sell the large size too. So also, while I'm applying mascara, I guess I can talk about it. The Lancome that I'm kind of like working with is the store that I used to work out. My manager just reached out to me. It was nothing like official through like Lancome or anything, but she just wanted me to like kind of like talk about the products and stuff to help them out. And I was like, yeah, of course. I literally love Lancome so much. I love their makeup. I love their skincare. Like, I just think they're a great overall brand. Basically, if there's anything you want to reserve, just call their counter directly. But they're having a celebrity makeup artist, Robert Cooke, come to their store on August 9th. So you can reserve your spot there. It's $35 to reserve your spot, but then that goes towards your purchase. And if you live in the Tampa area, it's at Macy's Westshore Mall. I'll leave the info and all that in my description box, along with the number and all that if you're totally interested in booking a seat. Those events are always so much fun though. You see these lashes, like, it really just takes it to another level. So I kind of hate myself for wanting to do this, but I've been seeing this trend a lot lately, and I just feel like it gives it even more of the effortless look. I'm gonna use my brow pencil. Any brow pencil will work, and I'm gonna go ahead and draw on some cute little faux freckles. Don't hate me. Like, I just feel like this, it looks so cute. Freckles, and then I'm just gonna take whatever powder is left on my sponge and just go over top, and then just sweep it away with my brush. I don't know if you can see it on camera, it's probably washed out, but I just think it looks so cute. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Now that you've made it to the end, we can get into the full-on giveaway details. So for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away these two full-size products from Lancome. So I'm going to give you the 1.7 ounce Genifique serum that retails for almost $100, and then you'll also be getting the Genifique Eye Light Pearl that retails for I think about $70. So you'll get these two full-size serums to try. You can use this before your moisturizer, you can use it as a primer, and you get youthful looking skin within 7 days when using two deluxe size samples of the Renergy Multi-Action Moisturizer and Night Cream. And you'll get it all in their cute little gift with purchase bag. So I figured since they gifted this stuff to me, I might as well gift it back to you since I do already have most of these products. So the only thing that you have to do to enter to win is be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and follow Lancome Westshore on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram handle down below. So once you follow us all, go ahead and comment your Instagram handle in the comments down below. You'll get bonus points if you do happen to reserve your gift with purchase with them as well. But let me know if you do end up reserving with them. Again, it's free shipping if you call them directly, and it's with any purchase of $37.50. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and kind of enjoyed a different take, I feel like, on the makeup that I normally do. This is definitely more of like a soft glam, but I do feel really pretty in it. This is like my more realistic kind of day-to-day makeup. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!